Today we're going to be making some Nasi Goreng, Indonesian fried rice. It's one of my favorite fried rice to eat, and I first had it in the Maldives, and on my recent trip back to the Maldives I had it again and it was absolutely amazing. So I want to share with you all how to make this delicious fried rice. Start in your wok with a little oil, and to that we're going to saute some bird peppers and a pimento pepper. The bird peppers or a chili pepper, I used 4. Feel free to use as much or as little as you like. Now in goes some chopped onions, bell pepper and scallion, and we're just going to let this saute in here for about a minute. You want the vegetables to get a little soft but not too soft. Then I'm going to add in 1 egg, season with a little bit of salt, and mix that together with the vegetables. When you add your egg to your vegetables, it helps it to scramble better than if you were to scramble it alone in the pot. And it actually incorporates into the fried rice way better. Now I'm going to go in with some freshly grated ginger and some minced garlic and give that a mix. And of course, as usual, all of your ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Now here's one of the main ingredients. This shrimp paste. I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of this. You can find this at any Asian supermarket. And 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce or sambal. Give that a mix. Now you'll notice I'm not adding a lot of salt to this recipe because that shrimp paste is a very salty and potent ingredient. So once you let that cook in there for about a minute, we're going to add in our day-old rice. I'm using jasmine rice. You can use a regular white rice for this if you like. And we're just going to sprinkle on some light soy sauce because I'm trying to control the amount of salt that goes in here, and also sesame oil goes in. Next, another main ingredient is this sweet soy sauce. About 2 teaspoons or to your liking. And then toss to bring everything together. Taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready. One of the best fried rice dishes you will ever eat, and I love it because it's spicy. It has that kick that just makes it different from a regular fried rice. Nice and grainy, and the kitchen smells amazing. Now to serve this, I'm going to put on a little bit of cabbage over the top. You can use bean sprouts if you want to in this recipe, some shrimp chips, a fried egg, and a salad on the side. And that's it. I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.